Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Passage number 60. Lahore colon with no significant achievement during the last 20 months after being elected for a 3-year term. In 2018, the incumbent management of the Pakistan Cricket Board, headed by Ehsan Mani, announced on Monday an ambitious development plan for 5 years, full stop. Titled a 5-year plan to inspire and unify our nation, the document lays down strategic and corporate objectives, sets a course of action for the progress and enhancement of the national men's, women's and age group teams and presents a pathway and structure for grassroots development, full stop. New para. Underpinning the objectives will be a tracking system that will ensure that progress is monitored on a monthly basis throughout the duration of the plan, full stop. The plan contains set 6 targets, with no clarity where Pakistan's national team will stand in world rankings in the 3 formats of the game or how many new stadiums will be built during this period, full stop. Interestingly, the plan was approved by the current board of governors, whose most members are representatives of now defunct regional and departmental institutions, who were elected under the previous PCB constitution, full stop. New para. However, in 2019, when the PCB introduced its new constitution, it ended the regional and department-based domestic structure, rendering thousands of players across the country jobless, mainly due to abolishing departmental cricket, full stop. In the new domestic structure, the PCB introduced a formula of 6 provincial teams that replaced 16 regional and approximately 30 departmental teams that had been featuring in both first class and grade 2 cricket, full stop. New para. The old domestic structure of the sport, it is to be recalled, enabled thousands of aspiring young cricketers across Pakistan to earn monthly salaries for decades, full stop. Surprisingly, however, the representatives of regions and departments are still working as members of BOG, while their teams are no more part of the domestic cricket, full stop. Almost a year has passed, but the new domestic structure, which will have a new BOG, has not been made functional, full stop. It is mainly because the new constitution requires the PCB to get 6 provincial and around 90 city cricket associations are registered under the Company Act, full stop. New para. But no announcement from the PCB about the registration in this regard has been made by set, full stop. This standstill and uncertain situation has resulted in no cricket at district, city or club level for the second year running, full stop. Though due to COVID-19 pandemic that brought entire Pakistan and the rest of the world to an unprecedented halt, the country's domestic cricket is also currently suspended, non-existence of province and city level associations is raising questions over the working of the PCB, full stop. New paragraph. As a result of abolishing regional cricket in 2019, around 250 ground staff, including grounds men and curators, besides thousands of cricketers, lost their jobs, full stop. The press release regarding the 5-year plan issued by the PCB on Monday explicitly shows the slow pace at which the present board is functioning, full stop. Unveiling the strategy, PCB relief executive Wasim Khan said, we developed the 5-year plan in 2019 and awaited sign off by the board of governors, full stop. We are delighted that we received official sign off in February this year and are now in a position to formally announce it. Read the press release, full stop. New para, moreover, the PCB claims some delivery against key priorities for the 2019 to 2023 plan began last year, even before getting the BOG approval, in February this year, full stop. It was highly important that we develop a clear, exciting and achievable roadmap that provided clarity on our direction of travel, not only for all PCB staff but also the fans and its stakeholders, said the PCB in the press release, full stop. New para. According to the said press release, the 6 salient features of the strategy include: sustainable corporate governance will be underpinned by timely and effective planning and allocation of resources, full stop. Deliver world-class international teams, ongoing investment into a merit-based domestic system and a focus on excellence in high performance centers will help transform our international teams into consistent top class performers, full stop. New para. Grassroots and pathways framework providing opportunities and supporting the seamless transition of young and aspiring cricketers into the mainstream game, full stop. Inspire generations through our women's game. We will maintain a key focus on diversity and invest in our future cricketers to develop cricket champions across the nation, full stop. New para. Grow and diversify commercial revenue streams. We will set strategic, innovative and targeted commercial plans that will support the sustainability of the PCB and the cricket associations, full stop. Enhance the global image of Pakistan. We will showcase Pakistan through the promotion of the HBL Pakistan Super League, sustainable home international cricket and by maintaining ongoing and close dialogue with other cricket boards around the world, full stop. Moreover, the PCB said, each of the aforementioned strategies is divided into clear objectives and tactics, full stop. A senior manager will own one of the 6 strategic priorities and will be responsible for its execution, while a robust monitoring system with clear delivery timelines will track monthly progress, full stop. New para. The PCB has the potential and drive to be amongst the very top cricket boards in the world, full stop. This aspiration, with a commitment to action, will drive us on so that we can become consistently successful on the field and highly competent of it, full stop. It is exciting to think where we can be as a cricketing nation when we deliver this. Over the last 12 months, significant progress has already been made from where we started, full stop. Meanwhile, the PCB accounted some key achievements since February 2019, including just making of the model constitutions of cricket associations and city cricket association, but nobody at these important grassroots levels has started working yet, full stop. It also claimed the appointment of high quality experts and coaches with Pakistan national men's team is also an achievement, full stop. New para. To keep the record correct, Mani's PCB regime in 2019 relieved Mikey Arthur as head coach under whom Pakistan earned top ranking in Test and T20 cricket besides winning the 2017 ICC Champions Trophy staged in England, full stop. However, now Pakistan have slipped to fourth place in T20 and the rankings in Test and ODI cricket are not impressive either. When Misbah Haq, was appointed by Mani last year in place of Arthur, giving him three roles of head coach, chief selector and batting coach, full stop. New para. Pakistan last year also lost a three-match home T20 series to a young Sri Lankan side, which resulted in Sarfraz Ahmad losing the national captaincy, full stop. It was Sarfraz under whom Pakistan had won the Champions Trophy, full stop. Holding the entire PSL matches in Pakistan, the tour of MCC team after 48 years, and the return of Test cricket to Pakistan after 10 years by hosting Sri Lanka and Bangladesh are mentioned as some other achievements of the PCB in the press release, full stop.